What's up, guys? It's Clifford Omoruyi, yeah, Center Rockets men basketball. Today I'm partnering with 16 Endos in support of the Salvation Army Network. Today I'm going to be making the Big Cliff Sundae. Let's go. First of all, I'll go with the cookie and cream frozen yogurt, which is one of the best yogurt there is. Let me go. And next I'll go with the best ice cream there is, which is the strawberry ice cream. The best part about making this sundae, you gotta add the toppings to it. And for the first one, I'll go with the cherry. I get like 3 pieces of this sometimes. Can't forget to add some of the flavors to it. So, I will go with the coconut macaroon. Grab 2. And for the last one, we go with the waffle bits. Sometimes I don't need spoon for this because I got this to eat it with. So this Clifford Sundae, I call it Big Cliff. Let's get it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my Big Cliff Sundae. Make sure you check out 16 Endos for more sundae like mine, and you could make yours also. Let's go. It's a slam dunk.